Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Guidance Divya this side. Today we'll talk about another medical college which is in Indore city, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science and Research Hospital, which is basically in Madhya Pradesh. This is a very prominent medical college, university basically. और बहुत बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है, वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज इन मध्य प्रदेश. So we are going to talk about this college. So before proceeding to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please share this video as much as you can with your friends so that they can also get the information about this particular college. So let's start with the video. अगर हम इसके एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की बात करें, द कॉलेज इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 2003, द मेडिकल कॉलेज, and it's a private medical college located in Indore, MP. The institute also features Mohawk High-Tech Specialty Hospital within the campus. The hospital performs youngest bariatric surgery in India. The institute is a part of Bhandari Group of Hospitals and Institution. अगर हम इसकी affiliated university की बात करें, that is Shri Aurobindo University, Indore. अगर हम इसके डिस्टेंस की बात करें, हाउ टू रीच द कॉलेज, इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू ट्रेन यू हैव टू रीच इंदौर रेलवे स्टेशन. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इंदौर रेलवे स्टेशन टू कैंपस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 kilometer. And if you are traveling through Ujjain railway station, the distance between Ujjain railway station to campus is almost 30 to 40 kilometer. If you're traveling through flight, then through Indore airport, you have to reach the campus. One have to take the cab and taxi, so all the facilities are available. You can take the auto rickshaw, cab, taxis, everything is available. So reaching this college is almost easy. So this is the part you can see whether you can travel through train or through flight, or you can take the local cabs as well as. Sister institutions and hospitals within the main campus are Shri Aurobindo Institute of Technology, which is for engineering, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital, Shri Aurobindo College of Dentistry and PG Institute, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Sciences College of Nursing, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science College and of Allied Health and Paramedical Studies, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mohawk High-Tech Specialty Hospital, Mohawk Cancer Hospital, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Laser Treatment, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Library and Information Science, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Management and Science, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Pharmacy, Laparoscopy Academy of Surgical Education and Research, that is for laser. If we talk about their medical programs, which is MBBS and MD-MS program, MBBS course duration is 4.5 years and plus 1 year internship will be there. The annual intake of the MBBS program is 250 seats. The general category will be 212 and NRI category will be 38. Course fees, if you talk about the course fees, that is 17,40,000 per annum, and the NRI category is 52.20 lakh per annum. So this is the fee structure and the seat distribution of MBBS program. If you talk about MD-MS program seat intake, MD emergency medicine, the seat will be 3. MD anesthesiology 16 seats are there. MD community medicine 3 seats are there. MD dermatology 5 seats are there. MD forensic medicine 3 seats are there. MD general medicine 15 seats are there. MD pediatrics 12 seats. MD pathology 6. MD pharmacology 2. MD physiology 2. MD radiodiagnosis 10. MD radiotherapy 5. MD biochemistry 2. MD microbiology 2. MD psychiatry 5. MD TB and chest 3. MS anatomy 3. MS general surgery 15. MS OBG 12. MS ophthalmology 5. MS orthopedics 12. MS ENT 4. So these are the seat intakes for MD-MS program. Okay, if you talk about the hostel facility, yes, they have various hostel and residential facilities at CIAMS. You can also visit the hostel at the time of admission. If you talk about the food facilities at CIAMS, there is a huge central mess for UG and PG students, teaching, residents and other staff. The students are provided breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. The quality of food is managed by the dietitians. अगर हम इनके एसोसिएटेड हॉस्पिटल की बात करें, द हॉस्पिटल नेम है श्री औरबिंदो हॉस्पिटल इंदौर. हॉस्पिटल बेड कैपेसिटी की अगर हम बात करते हैं, दैट इज़ 1490 टीचिंग बेड्स इन हॉस्पिटल। डेली पेशेंट फ्लो की अगर हम बात करते हैं, दैट इज़ अराउंड 3082 एवरेज इन लास्ट 12 मंथ, विच इज़ रियली वेरी गुड। 3000 के आसपास डेली पेशेंट फ्लो आता है कॉलेज के अंदर, हॉस्पिटल के अंदर। सो लाइक स्टूडेंट हैव द एम्पल ऑफ पेशेंट्स टू लुक आफ्टर। कॉलेज रेटिंग की अगर हम बात करें, दैट इज़ 4.3 आउट ऑफ 5 अमंग प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज, विच इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड रेटिंग पार्ट। कट ऑफ की अगर हम बात करते हैं लास्ट ईयर की 2024 की, सो यू नीड एटलीस्ट 550 टू बिटवीन 600 प्लस। सो काफ़ी अच्छा कॉलेज है, टॉप का कॉलेज है, नॉट ओनली इन मध्य प्रदेश। इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द पैन इंडिया कॉलेज, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द प्रोमिनेंट कॉलेज टू लुक आफ्टर, और आपको बहुत अच्छी कैंपस फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है, एंड यू will have a good teaching methodology over there, and you will have a good exposure over there in your medical journey. So yes, you can look after this college. For admission related inquiry for MBBS program or MD/MS program for all the rounds, contact experts, so they can guide you according to your ranking and according to your score, in which round you can get the seat and which state you can get the seat. So we are going to help you out in getting a good college according to your like percentage and according to your like budget. We are going to help you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also get the information, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the more videos related to the medical colleges. And I wish you all the best for the NEET exam, and I wish you all the best throughout your medical journey, and always love your parents and be down to earth. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.